Wild Krautburster. Imagine the relentless nature of weeds, those resilient grasses that thrive in the harshest conditions, defiantly breaking through the cracks of sidewalks and park paths, spoiling the pristine look. Now, picture this, a solution that doesn't just clear the way but does it with precision. If you're tired of those overgrown edges, there's a game changer, a nozzle with a vertically rotating disc and a specialized brush. The disc ensures a clean cut along the sidewalk's edge, while the high-speed brush not only rips out those stubborn weeds but also clears the surface, leaving your walkways looking sharp. Take, for example, the Wild Krautburster WB750 from Germany, a marvel that tackles even the toughest thickets, making your sidewalk maintenance a breeze. Let's talk about what happens on the runway after every airplane touchdown. Up to 7 kilograms of rubber from the wheels sticks to the asphalt. It's a safety must to get rid of it, but it takes a powerhouse to do it efficiently. Enter the Duo Twister from the German company Traffic Lines, the ultimate solution. Boasting an innovative water supply system, this monster applies almost 3,600 kilograms of pressure per square centimeter. Now, you might worry about its impact on the runway, but fear not. This machine is not just powerful, it's gentle, ensuring it doesn't harm the surface texture. What's more, it's equipped with an automated joint cover system that removes markings without a scratch. And here's the kicker, it's not just about power, it's about efficiency too. The Duo Twister not only cleans up all that rubber mess but also reuses water, making it a powerhouse with brains. In just 1 hour, this beast can have almost 5,000 square meters of runway shining. Now, that's what I call a monster at work. Shuefu. Picture this, an automatic car wash tunnel machine with 9 brushes, a symphony of efficiency allowing 3 cars to get a spa day simultaneously. What's the magic number for each car? Just a minute. This beast, with its 0.1 kWh water and power consumption per wash, doesn't just sparkle your vehicle, it's a financial wizard too, promising a high return on investment. Brace yourself. It can pamper over 300 cars daily without breaking a sweat. So, if you've got a fleet of cars longing for a wash, this machine is the maestro of speed and savings, turning each car wash into a 1-minute symphony of shine. Rapid Rex Twister. In the world of farming, haymaking is a crucial process, especially when you're catering to the discerning palates of farm animals. The challenge, however, lies in the race against time, as hay quality can be severely compromised by the unpredictable forces of rainfall. Traditionally, harvesting hay involved a labor-intensive dance with pitchforks, often taking days for even a small team. But fear not, because the Rapid Rex Twister is here to revolutionize the game. Specifically crafted for those challenging steep slopes, this machine effortlessly gathers the golden harvest, ready to be transported to a flat haven. Say goodbye to the days of exhaustive toil. The Rapid Rex Twister not only makes haymaking efficient but also grants you the gift of time in the agricultural arena. Interceptor. Behold the Interceptor, a vessel that defies the conventional image of dirty work machinery by embracing a futuristic design worthy of a luxury yacht. This autonomous pollution collector, brought to life by Ocean Cleanup, is not just aesthetically pleasing but serves a critical purpose. Targeting the root of the issue, Interceptor gracefully navigates against river currents, gracefully picking up the waste that plagues our waterways. The secret lies in its conveyor belt magic, efficiently distributing collected debris into 6 spacious containers, totaling an impressive 50 cubic meters. Developers boast that this marvel can scoop up a whopping 50,000 kilograms of plastic daily, with potential for double that in optimal conditions. What's even more impressive? It's all powered by the sun, making the Interceptor the eco-champion our oceans desperately need. AquaJet. Introducing the AquaJet roof cleaning system, a game changer in the realm of roof maintenance. Tailored for both residential and commercial buildings, this innovative solution takes cleaning to a whole new level, harnessing the power of water pressure. Picture this: a high-pressure water pump, precision-engineered nozzles, sturdy hoses, and a control mechanism working seamlessly together. Connected to a water source, be it a garden hose or a dedicated supply, the pump pressurizes the water, unleashing a forceful jet that effortlessly banishes dirt, debris, moss, algae, and other unsightly contaminants. What sets it apart? It's not only highly effective but also eco-conscious, as it nixes the need for harsh chemicals. Meet Prestige Rug Spa, your go-to destination for impeccable rug cleaning services. Renowned for their expertise in handling Oriental, Persian, Turkish, and a variety of ethnic rugs from across the globe, they've become a symbol of excellence in rug care. Operating in Wales, their commitment to quality is unmatched, offering affordable cleaning services that bring out the true beauty of your cherished rugs. With state-of-the-art machinery and efficient techniques, Prestige Rug Spa ensures that your rugs receive the delicate care they deserve, bringing a touch of luxury to your space. Trust them to revitalize and preserve the intricate beauty of your rugs. Your carpets will thank you. Meet the Bex, a hedge trimmer that redefines the standards of efficiency and precision. Brought to you by BCX, this cutting-edge machine boasts an impressive 131 centimeters working width, making it a powerhouse for covering extensive hedge trimming areas in a single pass. Operating at a hydraulic flow rate of 45 liters per minute, it ensures a smooth and productive trimming experience. Within a hydraulic pressure range of 180 to 210 bar, this trimmer maintains unwavering performance, delivering impeccable results regardless of the conditions. Weighing in at 157 kilograms, it strikes the perfect balance between durability and maneuverability, empowering you to effortlessly tackle a variety of trimming tasks. Introducing Bobcat's latest innovation, the Beach Cleaner, a game-changer in environmental responsibility. While renowned for their exceptional construction equipment, Bobcat has extended their commitment to sustainability with this versatile machine. Originally crafted for beach maintenance, its adaptability shines through on horse tracks, farms, sports fields, and playgrounds. Propelled by a bulldozer, its sharp blade adeptly clears the soil layer and debris, channeling them into a 350-liter tank. The hydraulic system enables seamless adjustment of cutting depth, ranging from a mere millimeter to 20 centimeters. Additional advantages include the option to install a customizable filtering grid. Despite its compact design, this machine impressively covers up to 15,000 square meters per hour, a genuine environmental hero in action. Let's explore the world of foam washing. Yes, that thick pink foam is intentional, and it will gradually run down as it's designed to. Some might call it a gimmick, but it serves a purpose, especially for those pristine white cars where a white foam might make it easy to miss spots. However, foam washing is most effective on well-maintained cars. If your car is genuinely dirty, a follow-up contact wash is essential. This video focuses solely on the foam wash, using a well-maintained car as an example. The technique of rinsing from bottom to top ensures that pressurized water removes the foam along with dirt. Doing it the other way around might dilute the foam, leaving dirt behind. Keep in mind, though, that this process lacks a follow-up contact wash. In conclusion, if foam washing isn't entirely clear to you, it might be best to skip it to avoid wasting time, money, and effort. Ever wondered how ships stay shipshape? Well, it's not as simple as a soapy water wipe down. Periodic cleaning is crucial for ships, and that's where Dockboy comes in. This tracked, self-propelled marvel designed by Hammelman is a hydraulic powerhouse with a boom reaching up to 6 meters in standard form and nearly 9.5 meters in a specialized version. At one end, there's a versatile 274 to 520 millimeter wide working tool, equipped with rotating nozzles that unleash water jets at speeds ranging from 120 to 500 RPM, exerting pressure up to 3,000 bar. Did I mention that Dockboy effortlessly strips away layers of old paint? It's the ship's best friend in battling rust and impurities. Meet the revolutionary beach cleaning machine by Wagner Bureau Bridge Systems, your solution to pristine shores without disrupting beachgoers. This innovative machine offers a range of marine and coastal services, focusing on beach improvement, protection, stability, and replenishment. Equipped with a front rake blade, it effortlessly sweeps away rocks and debris, ensuring a clean and safe beach. The rear unit features a belt that filters sand while transporting unwanted materials, like pebbles, to a convenient bin. The best part? It operates smoothly without causing any disturbance to beach enthusiasts, allowing for cleaning even while visitors enjoy the sandy shores. Have you ever wondered how major music festivals clean up the massive mess left behind? Enter the Widontech MC3, the giant vacuum cleaner that's here to tackle the aftermath. Think of it as your regular household vacuum, but on an epic scale. With two powerful front-facing fans, this machine sucks up the waste, instantly shredding it and depositing it into a whopping 10 cubic meter tank. Maneuverability is key, thanks to its 3 wheels, allowing it to effortlessly navigate festival grounds or city streets, efficiently removing leaves at a speedy 45 kilometers per hour. Here we have a remarkable piece of equipment designed for efficiently collecting cut branches and various wood products. The versatile boom, equipped with either a bucket or grapple, effortlessly lifts and transports the wooden materials. Enter the ATM 593 or Cobra, expertly crafted to handle large branches and the toughest tree species. What sets this German-engineered machine apart is its exceptional maneuverability, making it ideal for navigating off-road and conquering mountainous terrains. The branches are skillfully processed in the crusher, transforming them into valuable wood chips neatly deposited into the cargo bucket. The Cobra, developed by Gentz, stands out as a technologically advanced alternative to traditional tractors with mulchers. Notably, this powerhouse can reach speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour, proving its effectiveness even in confined spaces. Ever been disturbed by the clamor of cleaning equipment disrupting your morning peace? Enter the S-Wingo 200 Plus, a revolutionary creation from the Swiss company EBN. This electric sweeper is a game-changer for urban cleanliness, reaching speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour while maintaining a tranquil silence. Here's the magic. It's the world's first fully electric sweeper, boasting a battery life comparable to top-notch electric cars. A swift 4-hour charge empowers it to work tirelessly for up to 10 hours straight. The S-Wingo 200 Plus is not just economical and environmentally friendly, it excels at its core mission. Equipped with 2 or 3 controllable sweeping brushes with diameters of 800 or 850 millimeters, its hydraulic adjustment ensures no nook or cranny is overlooked. This machine, with its sophisticated suction and filtration system, leaves streets pristine, capturing nearly all fine dust.